I'm Naduni Abenayaka. I joined Cambridge College of British English about a year ago. Through a placement exam, I got selected to B1 level and I completed B2 level as well. At the end of the course, I faced Cambridge assessment exams confidently thanks to all the preparation sessions we had during the lectures, where we faced evaluations and did merge papers. Besides, we engaged in plenty of extra activities including role plays, creative writings and debates. So as all of those methods of learning were effective for me, I would really recommend CCBE to anyone out there. Come join CCBE without hesitation. Thank you.